Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful winged unicorn together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for the eye and 3 lines for the eyelashes. Draw the ear with 2 curved lines, then draw its inner part. Draw the mane on the head with a curved line, a semicircle, a curved line, a semicircle, and a curved line up to the ear. Draw an inverted V-shaped line for the horn, and draw 3 lines inside it. From the horn, draw a semicircle, an inverted V-shaped line, and a curved line up to the ear. Draw 3 tufts on the neck with a curved line and a letter V-shaped one, like I do. Now trace the outline of the muzzle with a curved line, a diagonal line, another diagonal line, and a curved one. Draw a curved line inside the muzzle, a small vertical line for the nose, and a curved line for the mouth. Draw a curved line for the body and a semicircle. Draw the hind leg with a large U-shaped line, a straight line, a curved line, another straight line, and a diagonal one up to the drawn semicircle. Now draw the second hind leg with a semicircle, a straight line, and a curved line. Draw the front paw with a small vertical line, a diagonal line, a vertical line, a curved line, a vertical line, and a diagonal one. Draw a curved line for the belly. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the second paw with a diagonal line, another diagonal, a curved line, a vertical line, and a horizontal one. Draw the hooves with a horizontal line and a vertical one. Follow me while I'm drawing. Draw the wings with a curved line, 6 lines in an inverted U shape, curved line under the snout. Draw 1 curved line and 8 lines in an inverted U shape. Now draw the first part of the tail with a large curved line. Then close the sketch with another curved line. Trace the other part of the tail with a curved line. Then a curved line up to the first part of the tail. Draw 2 curved lines inside the first part of the tail and 3 lines in the second part. Wow! Our friend turned out really well! Good job! Now let's tip the colors. Use red for the first part of the tail and the mane. Use orange for the second part of the tail, the horn, and the wings. Use yellow for the third part of the tail. Color the fur part with green. Use indigo for the fifth part of the tail, the inside of the ear, and the muzzle. Use blue for the sixth part of the tail and the hooves. Use purple for the last part of the tail.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I
Color the legs, body, and face with light blue.
dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
And use black for the eyes.
A tasket,
Excellent! Our winged unicorn is beautiful and ready to fly to you. Good job!
and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.